What if you want to more clearly indicate that a file is a draft or confidential, or you simply want to enhance the look of your document? Whether you want to add text or an image, the solution is to insert a watermark. Hi, I'm Dawn, the Software Pro. In this training, we'll look at how to add a watermark to a document in Microsoft Word. Adding background text or even an image is easy with the watermark feature in Word. To insert a watermark to an existing document in Word, first select the Design tab, and then choose Watermark from the Page Background group on the right-hand side. Word includes a gallery of ready-made watermarks, or you can create your own custom watermark. It's also simple to add a background color or picture to your document. Review the available choices. So for instance, if I simply want to add draft, I could select this. Word also includes the option to download additional watermarks from the Microsoft Office website. I'll pick draft, and it's that easy to add a watermark to a document. Well, let's say I want a custom watermark instead. Then we go back to the Design tab and Watermark. This is also where I could remove the watermark. So if I change my mind, it's an easy option here. Let's choose Watermark again and Custom Watermark. Here you have the option of Picture Watermark or Text Watermark. I'll pick Text. Add whatever text I want. Pick the font. You have quite a wide range of options here. You can change the color, even the direction of the text, that is, diagonal or horizontal. For text watermarks, experiment with the semi-transparent, which will lighten the watermark to make the text on top easier to read. For text watermarks, a bold or thick sans serif fonts such as Arial Bold, Calibri, Verdana, these are often more readable than a serif font like Times New Roman or Cambria. So for this, I'll pick Arial Black. And let's apply. So now we can see what that text watermark looks like. I'll turn off that semi-transparent, and let's look at horizontal. And once again, apply. You can even change the colors. Once you're happy with the results, choose OK or Close. And you now have a custom watermark for your document. Maybe instead you'd like to add your company logo or another image to the background of each page in a Word document. So let's go back to Watermark. First, I'll remove this watermark, choose Watermark again, and Custom Watermark. Now we'll choose Picture Watermark. Move to the location of the file and select that file. Here I've added a logo, and let's apply. As with the text, we have a semi-transparent option, which is called Washout. And if I apply without it, this is what the logo would look like under that text. I think I'll go back to that washout. Here's a look at more pages of this document with this logo as a watermark. Here's a bonus tip. If you want to add other page effects to a Microsoft Word document, including a solid background color, you'll find this under the Design tab in the Page Background group. But instead, we'll pick Page Color. Now I could pick a particular color here. This might be fine for a digital product, but I think we'll undo that and look at the other options. So we can choose more colors, and you can dig into those. Or choose Fill Effects. And now you can choose gradient options and other shading. Although this would be very much of a specialty option, I think we'll keep this simple and just change the page color. Now you've seen how you can easily enhance your work in Microsoft Word with watermarks and page backgrounds. For more tips on being productive with Microsoft Word or sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/word. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Dawn Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.